Everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm gonna show you that how you can hide the following list in your Instagram in your phone. So first of all, you have to make sure some settings to do that. First of all, you have to make sure that Wi-Fi connection, also make sure that VPN is not connected. After that, just go to Instagram app just like that and just go to the profile section and just go to the three lines and just wait for a second and it's loading, and just like that just scroll down and make sure that you have a personal account. So in a professional mode account, it's nothing work, just like that, and just go to the sections of your settings and just go to the account privacy just like that and just turn it on to hide the following list on your Instagram account. If you have a personal account, then it's work, and as you know that even everyone follow you, then he can see your post on your Instagram, and if you allow him to see your post, so that's the settings. You have to make sure that settings to hide the following list on your Instagram. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.